Farm animals. First words. Illustrated by Lisa Gardner. On the farm, you might see a sheep. They make wool. On the farm, you might see a cow. They make milk. On the farm, you might see a goat. They make milk too. On the farm, you might see a horse. They are for riding. On the farm, you might see a pig. They make a mess. On the farm, you might see a dog. They make friends. On the farm, you might see a goose. They make down feathers. On the farm, you might see a mule. They are hard workers. On the farm, you might see a hen. They make eggs. On the farm, you might see a rooster. They make everybody get out of bed.